The Craig Portal is the online tool for looking up parts and attachment breakdowns, submitting orders, and tracking invoices. If you are completely new to Portal, you may check out our first video for using the search tools. Once you are logged into your account, you can look up the part or serial number to access the breakdowns and click on the part you need. Click the cart icon on the window that pops up to add it to your order. Once you've made your selections, at the top of the page you can view your cart, edit quantities, and then proceed to checkout. Then it is simply confirming your information and submitting your order. Thanks for watching. Want to learn more about the Craig Portal? Try it out yourself or contact Craig Manufacturing for more details.